Artillery Duel, another classic. It's a two-player game, so I have to do it like Bud Bundy and play with myself. It's painting the landscape. Okay, so you got two artilleries and you kind of you select how high the barrel goes and how much powder you use. And then you fire. I didn't even change the settings and it goes too far. Alright, this will have a higher barrel. Let's say 70. Fire. Okay, that needs more powder. Shooting higher. That looks good. That looks really good. That was very close. Using a lot more powder on this one. And fire. Huh? That could... almost. This time raising the barrel even more. Using slightly more powder. And fire. Also very close. More powder. That probably goes too far. Nope. Very close. Ha! 6% damage. Slightly powder. $91 now. No, wait, it was too far, not too close. So 89. Okay, you do need to pay attention to the wind. Basically. This could... yeah, it was because of the wind. See, without the wind, I can now try the same settings. No, that's too far. Almost. That looks good. That looks very good. Yeah, destroyed. And now the soldiers are marching in. Yeah, so basically that's Artillery Duel. Absolute classic. Very simple, but very fun.